boy. Let's see what's going on here. So, the oil pump for the transmission's not coming on. Don't mind the mess. It's hopefully, well, it will get cleaned up a bit better. Let me see if I have 12 volts here. So, 13, yeah. 13. So this is the oil pump relay here. Let's see, there's 12 volts. Yeah. The ground must be not grounded. I shouldn't use the word grounded, I should use the word negative. Oh, it looks like it's on. What the hell? Let me put you over here. So, on the negative. Yeah, so the coil should be energized. The relay should be energized. Let me just unplug it. Yeah. Alright. That's not very tight, but it'll do. Okay, so let's see here. On the negative. Thirteen. What? What's going on now? All right. I had this connector off last week to do something, and I think I might have screwed up with the PWM pin. Oh, sorry, connector A. Where am I here? Right here. I think that might be a problem. Put this back. Pull that out. Let's see here. Pin 16, which is 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That, no, they're still there. I thought I might have slid back, but 19, 20, 19, 18, 17. What's 17? Well, that's the break. 17, 16. Looks like it's still good. Looks like it's no problem there. Oh man, this is fucking bullshit. Alright, put that back in. One last thing it could be is the oil pump controller right there. I don't know how. That was a little loose for whatever reason. Must have banged into it. Well, it's in there now. I don't know. I don't know what else it could be. Alright. Let's see if we can hear it. Can't hear from up here, but yeah, it's working. All right, let's see if it goes up and down the driveway. Let's see how much current it draws. Just going up and down the driveway. All right, I'm gonna put the clamp meter in the trunk, and I'm gonna put you guys right about here somewhere. Being careful-ish. All right, put you on DC 0. Put the inrush. Of course, you can't see from there. That'll do it. All right. Can we see? What did that give me? Oh, fuck off. Oh, fuck. Oh, I forgot to hit the button. What do we got? 78 amps. All right. That's more like it. So that's slight uphill. It didn't floor it, and the what do you call that thing? The torque setting is only at 1,000. So that gave me 78 amps, and I had pretty good takeoff. I think I'm just gonna leave that for now and take it for a drive around the block and see what happens. Nothing. Okay, here goes nothing. Well, I've done this a few times, but yeah, so there's a pump. I don't know if you heard that, but the power steering pump's on. These are all the warning lights that I still need to figure out. I'll put the sucker in reverse. Car starts rolling instantly. Oh. I think the drive shaft needs to be fixed. Okay. Drive. Speedo works. I'm doing 30 miles an hour. Oh, wow. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, I think we gotta... I know the drive shaft is making noise because I didn't realize it at the time, but the center bearing is shot in this thing. Right, so we'll just go for a quick little drive here. Yeah. Alright, let me just turn here. Alright, let me just stop it for a sec. Alright, got the I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but got the ECU web page up and running. Just on some side streets, so I'm not going very fast. Power and steering feels a little heavy, but I think all BMWs are like that. Yeah, so here we go. Check the engine lights on.
Oh no.
Oh, there is no engine.
Any thoughts?
It's so quiet.
Yeah, I know.
It's so quiet.
Yeah.
Just weird. Really weird.
You did it. You did it. Well, you got the wheels returning and you got it moving. Nice job.
Wow, 9 months of, well, 9 months. More like a year and a half.
A few years.
Cool. Needs a wash and take it for a spin.
Okay. All right. Good job. All right.